Hello, I've been playing this game app called Escape Game 50 Rooms number 2, and I'm just playing it here on my tablet. And for the first room, there's quite a hard puzzle that you need to solve to get through the first room. So today in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to solve this puzzle. So what you have to do is you have to connect up the lines going through these all these squares or rectangles up from this one down the bottom around to this one up the top. And once they're all connected, then the door opens and you've solved the room. So go into this slowly step by step. So first of all, the blank cell goes up in the top right hand corner, and this one with the straight line, it goes here into the bottom right hand corner. And now the next one we need is this one with a little sort of a curve on it, and that goes up here into this next cell. And if you're looking here carefully, you can see that all these cells, or the lines on all these cells, are lining up perfectly. So if you put something in and it doesn't line up perfectly, then you know you've got the wrong one. So I think that one there is the next one. I know it's not, that's the wrong one because that's not lining up. Oh, it's actually that cell there. There we go. You can see that, sorry about that. You can see that line there lines up perfectly. And now the next one is this one here, and pop it there. And then we want that one to go there, and you can see I'm slowly getting a circular or a continuous path with those lines, and that one goes there. Now I'm pretty sure it's that one, goes there. This sort of a U-y shape goes in there, and then another one, which I think is that one, that goes down, and that cell's already in the right position, and that goes there. That one, yes, and no, that's the wrong one. I'll try that one. Yeah, there we go. That's matching up perfectly there. That goes there. Oh, there we go. That one goes there. Okay, and so the last one that I need to do is push this one in the top left hand corner into this one next to it, and that'll push that one there, and that'll solve the puzzle. And there'll be a continuous line then from this point in the bottom right hand corner around through the puzzle and back up into that point there. So as soon as I swap that piece over, the puzzle's going to disappear from the screen, the door will open, and I'll go into the next room. So I just left that for a bit of a second there, or a few seconds, so you get a chance to, if you want to pause the video and stop it there and see exactly how to solve this puzzle. I'll do the swap now, and you'll see the puzzle is solved. So I press on that one and pop it there, and there we go, the puzzle's solved. Oh, there we go, the little bat flies through and the door is open. Okay, there we go. I'm into the next room. The first room has been solved, and now I'm into the next room. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.